Meaning of light year.
Light year.
Light year.
Light year.
Light year. A light year is a unit of length used in astronomy. It is defined as the distance that light travels in 1 year in the vacuum of space. Since light travels at a constant speed of about 299,792,458 meters per second, 1 light year is equal to about 9.46 trillion kilometers, or 5.88 trillion miles. The concept of a light year is often used to express astronomical distances between stars and galaxies, as these distances are too vast to be measured in conventional units like kilometers or miles.